In this video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Google Workspace using Google Chat. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to workspace.google.com/product/chat. You should be able to find Google Chat from there, which is actually a messaging and team collaboration platform. Now, in order to use this, you can click on this sign in option right here in order to sign in. And from in there, you will be prompted to sign in into Google account that you have. Or if you don't have an account yet, click on this create an account. Since I already have an account, let me click onto this right here and then just proceed to sign in. Now here is my actual Google chat. In order to assign the task that you want, you need to head over and click onto the spaces right here and choose right here the space that you wish to actually add some task with. So on this particular task or space, we have in here this part. You can click on this task option, and then after that this will load our Google task. So onto this case, just click on this add space task. Let's input right here the title. Let's input create a poem. Then from in there you can add date or time for the due date. Let's add a due date for September 18 at a particular time and click on done. And you can also assign someone for this task. Add some details. After that, click on this add option, and as you can see, this task has been added. So for this task, you can actually click onto this option right here in order to view this under the chat itself, or in this as well. If you're already done, just click onto this check mark that will replace the circle icon in order to mark this task as completed, and it will disappear, and you can now see that task right there as well. Onto the actual pages, you can see the completed options. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.